And so we're asking tonight whether there should be a probe by a sitting Supreme Court judge, as Mulayam Singh Yadav has suggested. Joining us on the program tonight is Union Minister V. Narayan Swamy, the Deputy Leader of the Opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, well-known economist Surjit Bhalla, and senior journalist Bharat Bhushan. Let me ask Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad first. Mr. Prasad, just looking first at what the Prime Minister has said today, and I'll just read out two quotes. One, I have to maintain the dignity of the office of the Prime Minister. I can't get into a tutu meme or slanging match with political leaders. It is better that I keep silent. And B, that these are diversionary tactics by the BJP. How would you respond to his comments today?
Well, if the Prime Minister chooses to become economical with his comments because he has nothing substantial to offer, and since they have asked me that question about the PM's comment, let me straight away say that the PM read out or laid a particular statement that delay occurred because of the state governments. Nidhi, what is this whole scam is about? 70 blocks in 12 years from 93 till 2005 and 145 coal blocks allotted in 3 years, 6 to 9, when the government delayed the finalization of competitive bidding, which it has itself introduced. Now, let me reinforce my point. I have got the statement of 28th November 2007 of the then Coal Minister with Dastinarayan Rao before the Lok Sabha, where he stated that all the opposition to competitive bidding is wrong. It is transparent, will have good coal and also low-priced coal. Who delayed it for further 5 years? What forces were at work? And when this was being done, in 3 years' time, the word has gone that the rule of the game is going to be changed from a screening committee per se. Therefore, make hay till the sun shines. And 145 coal blocks allotted,
so you're
including
saying,
lobbying by the minister, which you have just saying.
So you're saying the Prime Minister can't afford to be silent?
To demand.
Yes.
The BJP was the first to demand for cancellation of all these blocks apart from the resignation of the Prime Minister. Others have joined separately, they have got the right to. But the whole decision-making process, the CBI inquiry at our MP's instance, directed by the CVC, has found irregularities. Therefore, in the light of 2G, what happened? The government ought to have been upfront and said, all right, we cancel all the blocks.
Okay, I'm going to come to
that. Let there be auction per se.
I will ask Mr. Narayan Swamy about that. But Mr. Narayan Swamy, can the Prime Minister say something like, you know, it is better that I keep silent? This is a very serious issue. This is a ministry that he was overseeing. And while he may have said, and while the government may have stressed, and rightfully so, that states were opposed to the competitive bidding process, the Prime Minister also has an important responsibility here. He can't afford to be silent.
No, the Prime Minister is not silent. Prime Minister gave a detailed statement in the Parliament. The BJP was running away from debate on the issue. But when the issue has to be debated in the Parliament, and the members of Parliament should be given opportunity to ask questions to the Prime Minister and the Minister concerned, and ultimately the Parliament in its wisdom will decide. Why BJP is not agreeing for debate? Because during the NDA regime, 1999 to 2003, 39 coal blocks were allotted without any advertisement, without giving the proper procedure, without following any proper procedure. Therefore, they don't want to debate this issue. Their chief ministers have written, we don't want auction process. Now Ravi Shankar Prasad is telling, my very good friend is telling, that why they are not following the auction mode. Their chief minister opposed it. Their chief secretaries recommended in the screening committee. Therefore, the BJP wanted to totally get out of it because they will be exposed.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.